Where we work has changed across centuries. From farms to industries, to offices and BPOs, and post the pandemic to our own homes. But for 160 million women of India, not much has changed. They remain time poor, bound to their homes, and with household incomes that have largely remained stagnant. Instead of being bystanders to our country's growth journey, can we reimagine work and work models that can bridge the gap between aspiration, opportunity, and income for India's women? Enter Digital Naukri. Digital Naukris are small tasks that are discrete by nature, can be performed online, over shorter work hours, and with a foundational skill set. For the first time, technology presents a chance to bring elevated and sustained incomes to the doorstep of homebound women. This new class of digital Naukris that are emerging around the world are being executed by people across a range of technical skills and digital literacy levels. In August 2024 at Charcha, we began a journey to accelerate a better future for women at work. Today, we're excited to launch the first of 5 missions with a focus on improving the female labor force participation rate in India. Introducing the Digital Naukri Challenge by the Nudge Prize and Emphasis F1 Foundation. The Digital Naukri Challenge is a bold mission to pioneer and accelerate digital work models that work for women. With the largest prize purse yet of Rs 6.5 crores, the journey will also give organizations access to a thriving ecosystem of investors, mentors, and implementation partners. We're looking for solutions that lets homebound women choose their hours of work, access employment from wherever they are, and achieve economic freedom. Not just stop there, but envision scale and sustainability. Are you working at the intersection of digital employment, gender parity, and the future of work? Here's an opportunity for you to build work models that work for women and shape the next million digital jobs for them. Apply now to the Digital Naukri Challenge.